What is up, everyone? I'm holding a RUROC box, but what's inside? Let's unbox it, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's a Aurora helmet from EOX, RUROC, and we're gonna unbox it. So I have bought this helmet for like, I think 500 USD, and there's like a discount going on. So I took the opportunity to just get it right away because there's no better time, right? Alright, so what is inside the box? They got the thinner cushions for your face. If you think the one inside is too much or thick, you can always switch this. That's what they told me, right? Yeah. And there is the extra original windscreen that comes with it, but I have modified, I have added a darker one inside here. And the main thing is the helmet, and let's take this out. By just holding the helmet itself, it feels legit, not heavy and not light at all. It's made of carbon fiber, and yeah, let's open it. Yeah, I mean, look at this green and blue combination on this helmet. It's named Aurora from EOX. Yeah. And I think I'm gonna try it out tonight, and I'll film some POV shot. You will see how it looks. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and if you like this unboxing video, please subscribe and leave a like. Please do leave a comment about what you think about this helmet and if you like it or not. Personally, I really like the blue and green combination of this helmet. It's just kind of amazing to me. I mean, yeah, and I will see you next one.